What up, everybody? What up, squad? Check it. In this week's video, I'm just going to do a couple unboxing. Got some package from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I got the simple package of the transfers, and I also got glitter vinyl. We're going to see what that's about, but I got a special package that came in. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to unbox it at the end of this video. And from my fellow YouTuber good friend, Fayel from Digg Designs, definitely go check her out at Digg Designs on YouTube. And yeah, I'll put a link in the description so you can check out her channel and check out her stuff she has over there. She's doing the same type of t-shirt things like I am, but I'm telling you, she's definitely a mentor. She has knowledge over there. That's what it is. It's free knowledge for everybody. Everybody has knowledge everywhere. So feel free to check out other YouTubers. I'm not the only one out there. You feel me? There's other people with more expanded knowledge than I have. I'm just starting out in the game, so I'm learning from them. So I'm trying to put y'all on to them. But listen, right after this intro, we're going to get into this unboxing. So stay tuned.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
All right. First package. Let's see what we got in here, guys. I kind of just pulled it all out at once. Came in a little, actually, let me show you guys the actual box. This is what the box came in. I kind of already took it out. Came in this little Heat Transfer Warehouse box. And I got this package. But I also got this glitter vinyl right here. That glitter vinyl right there. I don't know how it's going to weed, and I don't even know how it's going to press because I never done it before. I don't even know if my cut setting's right on my little vinyl right there. So we're going to check that out too, guys. So that's going to be in a future video. This one here, I might press one of these. This is a sub blocker. Tells you what it is on the back. You guys can read that. Dye migration transfers that stop the color of the garment from coming through. Here. This right here, soft shell blocker. Don't know the difference. I guess it dye migration transfers for soft shell garments to stop the spotty bleed associated with this fabric. Be honest, I have no idea what any of that means. So we just gonna be pressing this stuff, see how the product is. I'm gonna cut this open. This little glitter vinyl right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Kind of see it right there? Yeah. Can you see my eye? No? Alright, let's keep it moving. Comes with the little heat transfer little tape right there, so it keeps it together. I'm actually just going to grab these scissors right here I got laying around, and we're just going to slice right through here. See what this actually looks like. That definitely loosened it up. So that's kind of what it looks like. You guys can kind of see the flash off my light on the back. And yeah, it ain't too bad. Scissor holographic green. Did I say glitter? I think I said glitter. My bad, y'all. This is holographic. So we're going to check how this is. Don't know how it goes, but it does look good. Because you guys do know I'm a medical marijuana patient. So I seen this and was like looking to make a design with it. You know, got my leaf glowing like it do when I flashlight my product. So I don't know. We're going to see about this. It feels definitely feels a lot thicker than regular transfer vinyl. That's the length of the sheet. I think this was, I don't know, 15 bucks, I believe it was, somewhere around there. This is a decent amount, especially if you cut out the designs to the portion you are doing it for. Then you'll definitely make your money back on there. And it's definitely a cool color. I like the reflection off the light. I'm in Florida. So in Florida, we got the light reflecting. So I'm trying to be shining when I'm walking, you feel me? But we're going to get that right there. I'm gonna stick that back in the box just because it does unroll like that. So that was those transfers. Now listen, last package, last but not least, probably the best package I done got. One I've been waiting for a couple days. Order this because I definitely mess with the channel over there, and I like the design, honestly. That was the main reason why I got it. I ain't even opened it, as y'all seen. I had this for a day or so. Just kept it to the side so I could do it just for this video. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys coming. Now we gonna see. Now, I did just cut this open because I ain't trying to sit here and look all struggly on camera right now. Pull this out right here. Damn, looks like I got some good stuff in here. That's my receipt. Sorry guys, I'm kind of just got amazed by the packaging right here. Look at this. Bro, look at that card. That's clean. You guys see that? She even threw in some socks right there. That's what I'm talking about. That is nice right there. I really dig with that. And even a bracelet. Bracelet says lifestyle. Other side says you dig. Let's pop this open. Let's see what this is talking about. We're going to open this right here, guys. We're going to open this right here. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice and soft, too. It's actually real soft. Bro, that's pretty dope. I never seen this like this. Y'all check that out. Sorry I ain't looking at the camera. I'm kind of looking at the product. But look at this. That's nice, ain't it? So I'm going to put that over there to the side. And then we're going to check out this other bracelet that came in here. There's the card one more time. Definitely check her out. It's all social media on there. Everything you need to see. I'm going to definitely put on this bracelet right now. Right now. Which way to do it, though? I always get confused. Should I say it that way so I can read it? Or should it be so other people can read it? I think it's other people can read it. Because I already know what it says. So if somebody wants to see it, you could just hit them with the bow. Now, this is my shirt. Y'all know I'm a smoker. Y'all know what's up. Damn. I didn't even see that on the back of there. There's another one. That's nice. I think you're throwing a little X. That's what I'm talking about. That's customer service right there. So we're going to open this up real quick, guys. Check it out. Came with another bracelet. Let's see. I know y'all like the sound of the box opening. Or the package opening, I mean. Makes it feel all new. Let's smell fresh. It just smells fresh. Look at this. Even the sticker fire. You know what we gonna do with this sticker? Do y'all know what we gonna do with this sticker? Y'all know what we gonna do with this sticker? I'm gonna show y'all right now. Right on camera. This sticker right here. Going right on my Tussie heat press. Right there. Going right there, y'all. Check that out. Right on that Tussie heat press it just went. I'm telling y'all. It's gonna look good right there. Let it stick right there. All right. Let's continue opening this package. Before I get to the next thing, here's the bracelet. This one says you dig designs. Hashtag make something. You already know. She got her own Facebook group. Definitely go check that out, y'all. She got her own Facebook group, too. She's really doing a little bit of everything. And I respect the hustle. I respect the grind because everybody trying to make their money. And that's what I'm talking about. You got to enjoy the success of others to make yourself successful because successful people being around you will make you successful, if that makes sense. I know I'm just yambling and, just listen to what I'm saying. I'm going to put this on the other wrist because I'm double wristing it. Feel me? This is like Rolexes to me. Why? Because somebody personal made it. I don't care about the brand. I care about the genuine transaction, the feeling behind the transaction. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to tell people. Be yourself and just do it like that. Now let's check this shirt out. Now this shirt definitely soft. Definitely feels good. Check it out right here. Smokers Indica Sativa Hybrid. Yeah. That's definitely a dope shirt right there. Definitely mess with it. Definitely nice. Definitely. Even comes with the little branding on the side. See, that's the packaging I'm talking about. That's Class A packaging. This is how you know it makes you feel like you part of something. You actually bought something more than just a product. That's the kind of branding people need to be understanding. That's the kind of branding I'm trying to do for my own stuff in the future. And this is just the kind of branding I like. Now, I'm going to throw this shirt on so you guys can see what it looks like when I put it on. So, I'm going to be right back, y'all. Definitely looks nice. All right, y'all, check it. I'm back. Check it out. See this shirt? Fits in snug. I like my shirts a little loose on me. So, I don't like it being all tight. But check this out. Definitely real clean, real soft material. Vinyl's cut good, layered great. Telling y'all, definitely ain't too bad. I like it. If y'all like it, definitely go check her out. Your Digg Designs, right over on Etsy. I'm definitely feeling this shirt because you know I'm a smoker toker. So check in for the next video. I'm going to be pressing super color, and I'm also going to be trying that holographic vinyl. So if y'all like what I'm doing, continue watching, and appreciate you for tuning in. Lost Entrepreneur out.